Good morning. I'm so dramatic. It's 9:40. It's not that early, but I woke up early, so. But I'm on my way to drop my car off to get the brake light fixed because I keep getting pulled over for having an out brake light. And then what's going on? I'm in traffic now, so that's fun. And then after I drop my car off, I'm gonna go get breakfast and then go on kayaking. Probably not the wisest decision because I got my second COVID shot yesterday and I'm fucking dead right now. But I already made the reservation and I can't cancel, so. But I just thought it'd be a good thing to do while my car is getting work done. And yeah, it's a beautiful day out, so might as well try not to die on the water. I should really stop recording myself because I'm swerving. So I just went to Utopia to drop off Bip, and obviously I didn't drop him off. I'm in Bip right now. But the guy was like, yeah, your total's gonna come to $455. And I was like, $455? No, sorry, no. Like, that's a lot. And like, if I can just keep replacing my bulb until like I get pulled over again, I'm gonna just do that. Because apparently I would need like a whole new assembly that has to be shipped in from San Antonio, Texas. So, that's not happening. But I'm gonna go get breakfast now because I'm fucking starving. So it's raining a little bit now. There's a little sprinkle from that cloud right there. But it's not too bad. I'm taking a break from paddling because like the wind is taking me away. Just gonna enjoy the sunshine a little bit. Probably gonna get some really weird tan lines. Like, oh wow. Look how beautiful this looks with my Crocs in the foreground. The wind picked up a lot, so no more relaxation for me. Oh God. Making my Cuban heritage proud with my rowing skills. Oh, okay, there's ground there. Oh, well, I thought that was gonna be a shortcut. It's not a shortcut. That's a dead end. Oh. This video of my adventure may just turn into the last video you ever see me in. Oh, lordy. So this is the current situation. I thought it was a lot taller and I could just go through it, but seems I was wrong. So either I have to try really hard and shake the boat to go forward over it. Oh, I could just go around it that way. Ah, so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at the baby duckies. Hello, baby duckies. Where's your mama? Where's your mama? I will be your mama if you don't have one. I will protect you. I will take you under my wing. Oh, I found the mama. Don't worry. They're not orphans. Oh, me not paying attention. Oops. Okay, let me get out of the situation. Okay, I'm free of the grass. God, I should hire my own stunt person for this. I'm my own director, editor, writer, and stunt person. I'm like a quadruple threat. Hello, I'm Amanda, and this is my audition tape for the Team USA 2024 Kayak Olympics. I don't think they're ready for this. Oh yeah, baby. Just call me freaking Pocahontas. Shit. See, and look, I can go backwards too without tipping the boat. Ugh. So call me for your Olympic kayaking team.